So we're heading into inflationary period, and as a result of that, everybody's talking about recession. So the question is, how the hell do you make money during those periods of time? Well, in this video, I'm going to talk you through that and show you exactly how to do it. First up, interestingly enough, marketing tends to be cheaper in a recession and an inflationary period, simply because more and more people stop their own advertising. So my advice to you, and it's something I do too, is to carry on with your advertising. Don't turn it off, but you might want to reduce your costs per click, and also think about reducing your daily budgets on some of those campaigns to make sure that you can stay within your own budgets things. Okay, so less people advertising, more space available, and so costs come down. Cut all of your non-profitable search ads. Focus purely on the profit side of things. Oftentimes we're running search rank campaigns and things like that. We turn all of those off, so we're just focusing on the things that actually convert into money straight away. Okay, that sounds weird, but we've always got, or typically got, campaigns running that are designed to rank our products instead of just make money from our products. They're different things, different set of strategies involved for each individual one. We also look to get creative with our marketing. So we'll look for other websites that have got access to our customers. We'll approach them to do deals with them. They can sell their products to our customers. We can sell our products to their customers. This works really, really well. You form partnerships, you do joint ventures. This is a really great way of building relationships now that when you come out of these recessionary periods, and of course we always do, then you'll be set with new relationships going forward as well. Okay, big thing to do. You'll find people are much more receptive to the idea of doing joint ventures now that the talk is of inflation and recession. I always go back to my suppliers and try to renegotiate my prices. I always blame, of course, lower sales, regardless of what's going on in my business. I blame lower sales, I blame the recession, I blame the economy, just like they do with me. Okay, now, will you get lower prices? Probably not. You probably won't get any lower prices, and so your default will be, well, if you won't give me a discount, give me terms. So if you're currently getting 30 days terms, ask for 60-day terms, etc., etc. So use their stock, use their money to make your money. Okay, this is a tried and tested way of running a business, and in an inflationary period, in a recession, people are much more open to doing it. We also get creative with non-paid marketing communications, things like podcasts, YouTube videos, social media, influencers, reaching out to influencers and things like that. We get really creative with that, and we double down on non-paid traffic strategies as well. That's been very, very good. YouTube, of course, where we are right now, has been insanely good for a brand building and product selling channel. TikTok also very, very good. Both of those two have been very, very good. So if you're not doing that, make sure you get onto it. Customer service, you want to be doubling down on amazing customer service. It doesn't cost you anything extra to do it, but the benefit is you'll get to retain your existing customers for so much longer. So double down on great customer service, really look after your existing customers, see if you can get them to talk about what you're doing, that word of mouth advertising. That's going to be really, really important to you. Final one is to raise your prices. So if there is inflation going on, you've got to raise your prices. If your prices are going up, everybody just attributes it to an inflationary period. Of course, you've got to do that within the realms of what's possible within your given niche, but don't be afraid to raise prices. It's always amazing to me how little difference it actually makes to how many sales I make per day. And of course, if I've raised my prices, my profit goes up and it allows me to do more stuff anyway. Okay, keep in mind that lots and lots of businesses that aren't focused like you're going to be focused will go broke. That's great. Less competition, thinning out the herd. when it comes back online, you'll be set and ready to take advantage of new opportunities that are going to present to you. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of over 2,500 professional e-commerce sellers from right around the world, selling on everything from Amazon to Shopify, eBay to Etsy, and much, much more. If you'd like to find out what we're doing and how we go about helping you make your business successful, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the description. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.